Ever felt like you're adrift on an ocean after a breakup with no land in sight? Picture it. The waves of emotions crashing over you, the storm of thoughts, the loneliness akin to being the only soul in the middle of the vast sea. But here's the thing. Just as the ocean is not eternal, so is this feeling of despair. Visualize a tree in the fall. The leaves change color, then detach and fall away. Yet, the tree stands firm. It doesn't crumble or fall. It's because the tree understands that letting go is a part of life, a process of renewal. It knows that come spring, new leaves will sprout. It's a cycle of life. The first step to moving on is akin to treating your heart like a sprained ankle. You wouldn't run a marathon on a sprained ankle, would you? Of course not. You would rest, heal, and gradually start walking again. Treat your heart with the same kindness. Give it time to heal. Remember the tree, standing tall despite losing its leaves? It's not alone. It's surrounded by other trees, the chirping birds, the rustling wind. Keep that in mind. Surround yourself with friends and family. Let them be your wind, your birds. Ever tried to fill a cup that's already full? It's impossible, isn't it? The same goes for your mind. Keep it busy. Pick up a new hobby. Engage in activities that relax you. Anything that keeps your thoughts from dwelling on your ex. Imagine a room full of smoke. It's suffocating, isn't it? Now imagine opening a window and letting the smoke out. That's what expressing your emotions does. It lets the pain out. Cry if you must, talk to someone you trust. Let it all out. Picture a room full of old furniture. It's dusty, cluttered. Now picture the same room after a good cleaning session. Feels refreshing, right? That's what getting rid of reminders of your ex does. It refreshes your mind, makes room for new memories. But here's the catch. There's no magic formula, no step-by-step guide that guarantees a pain-free moving on process. It's a journey, one that requires patience and perseverance. But remember, just like the tree stands tall and the ocean finds its shore, you too will find the strength to move on. So to recap, treat yourself with kindness, keep your mind busy, express your emotions, and get rid of reminders of your ex. It's not easy, but it's doable. And remember, like the ocean that finds its shore, you too will find your way. After all, the darkest nights produce the brightest stars.